Good day, students. Welcome to Mathgotserved.com. In this clip, we're going to be taking a look at how to evaluate functions. So the question reads, if f of x equals the quantity 3x plus 4 divided by 2, then f of 8 is... So to get us started, let's go over the steps for evaluating functions. We're going to put it on the side here. Steps for evaluating functions. All right, so for this one, just think about the 3 P's, okay? The 3 P's are the steps for evaluating functions. So number one, you get the function prepared or function prepped. Number two, you're going to plug in, all right? And then number three, you're going to PEMDAS your resulting expression. All right, we remember what PEMDAS is, right? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses, exponent, multiply, divide left to right, add and subtract left to right. All right, so we have, let's write the problem. So we have f of x equals 3x plus 4 over 2. Okay, then f of 8. So we're looking for f of 8 basically. All right, so what does it mean to get the function prepped? To get the function prepped is as follows. We're going to get the function prepared for something to be plugged into it. All right, so this is what it looks like. It just simply involves taking out all the x's. So the value of 8 is going to be going into here, and then the same on the right side. So we're just going to take out all the x's in the problem. Where applicable, we're going to replace the x's with parentheses. All right. So this is what it looks like to get the function prepped. All right. So why are we getting it prepped? Because we're going to plug in a particular value. What are we plugging in here? We're asked to find f of 8. So let's color code this so you can see exactly what's going on. We are looking for f of 8. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in this f of 8 into this parentheses that we've created. So you're going to plug in f of 8 into the right side and also the left side of this equation. Alrighty, if we carry out that substitution, we're going to have, let me write in the next step, f evaluated at 8. Okay, so that's a plug-in. We're plugging in or substituting 8 for x is going to be 3 times 8 plus 4 divided by 2. All right, so we have the plug-in step, the prepped step first, and then the plug-in. Let's see, we executed the plug-in now. So when you carry out the plug-in, you just basically replace the x's with the desired value that you're evaluating the function at, which is 8. Okay, so now we're done with the prep and plug in. Now we're going to PEMDAS the right side of this equation. All right, so to do that, we're going to follow the order of operations. So since you have a numerator and denominator, there is an implied group in here. So imagine as though the top is grouped together. That's why you have this long division bar here, because the top operation is grouped together and the bottom is by itself. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to deal with the numerator first, simplify that completely. Now you have a multiplication and an addition. Which one do you do first? In PEMDAS, you multiply and divide left to right first. Okay, so we have to multiply first. So we get 24 plus 4 divided by 2. We'll still have that implied grouping on the top. All right, these are together. So we're going to have to finish the top first. So we're going to add the top. And then we have 28 divided by 2. So we're done with the parentheses on the top or the grouping. Now we're left with the division operation. 28 divided by 2 is 14. So the answer here is option number 3. All right, so that's how you evaluate functions. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this presentation. Don't forget to help support our channels with your likes, subscribes, and comments. Tons of support resources can be found at mathgotserved.com. Do check it out. If you have any questions about what we just covered or any algebra concepts in general, specify it in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.